How to post landscape pictures on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can post landscape pictures on Instagram. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Instagram app over here just by clicking it, and then click your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and now click this plus sign over here. Now just choose a picture that is in landscape orientation on your phone. For example, I'm gonna go with this picture over here. So here you can see this is a picture in landscape orientation, and now you have to click next, and now you can see this is a picture that is in landscape orientation over here. Now you can add music, text, pictures, filters, or any adjustment that you want to do, and then click next. Now once you choose the picture and you have clicked next on the top right corner, it's going to bring you to this interface, and here you have to click this share option. Now once this picture is posted, I'll show you that it's posted in the landscape orientation. So here you can see it's a landscape orientation over here, and that's how you post landscape pictures on your Instagram. Just make sure the picture's original orientation is landscape, and then you can just post the picture in the landscape orientation, and that's how you do it.